Are you a content creator or video editor? Ever feel like video editors' monthly subscription like CapCut is draining your wallet or your sanity? Between the monthly fees and the endless learning curve, it's enough to make any creator scream. What if I told you there's an alternative that's just as powerful, cheaper, and way easier to use? I'm talking about Filmora, a game changer for editors who want pro-level results with only a $50 one-time payment. Let's dive into why this might be your new favorite tool. Filmora is clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. Its library has thousands of effects, transitions, and audio tracks, all free. Love a cinematic look? Their presets handle color grading in one click. Okay, this is the Filmora Video Editor interface. If you don't have Filmora on your device, you'll find the link in the description. Now, imagine you're a podcaster recording videos with multiple speakers and cameras. In that case, you may face huge challenges editing. Now, meet Filmora's multi-camera editing. With this feature, you can edit all the clips like a single video clip. For example, I have a demo podcast video raw file. Now I want to edit it, so I'm importing all the clips into the Filmora media bin. After importing all the video clips, select them and click the left mouse button. You'll find several options. We have to select the Create Multi-Camera Clip tool. Now, give a name to the clip. Let's assume I call it Episode 1. After that, we have to set the synchronization method. If you have only one speaker and videos from different angles, basically the same audio in all the clips, then you can select the audio mode. And if you have more than one speaker with different voiceovers, then select the first frame. Once done, click on the OK button. You can see that a new clip has been added to the timeline. Now, to edit the clip seamlessly, click here on this icon. As you can see, I have all three windows showing the three video clips, and the final preview is appearing here. Now, wherever I want to cut, let's say at this point I want to show this speaker, and at this other point, I want to show another one. As you keep clicking, you'll see on the timeline that cuts are being made. This means that all I have to do is click on the clip, and for that portion, whichever camera I select, camera 1, 2, or 3, that camera will preview at that point. Now, if I play it back for you, look at the final window.
With me, Jamie, and Sam, welcome.
Thanks, Alex. Excited to chat about how AI is shaking things up?
Great to be here. Let's just hope the AI overlords are listening mostly.
You can see that the audio is playing continuously while my camera angles are switching. So, what's the benefit? First, it saves a lot of time. When creating videos with a multi-camera setup, you don't need a professional setup or all these extra things. This feature is a blessing for those who create multi-camera videos like podcasts, interviews, and others. So, you can edit your podcast in the easiest way with Filmora. But what if you want to go global? You can do it using Filmora because the AI translation feature of Filmora can dub your content in more than 15 languages, which are the most spoken in the world. To translate any video, insert it into the timeline. Now select the video clip and then click on the translation icon from here. Once the pop-up appears, select the translation type. I want to translate both voice and caption. You can go with only the caption if you want. Next, set the source language and then the target language. Now, if your video has multiple speakers, then turn on this Detect Speakers feature. After that, the lip sync tool. I'll turn it on. Finally, you have the auto match feature, which will match the audio and video duration. Once everything is set, hit the translate button. And here it is. The voice has been translated, and you can see the result.
Bienvenue au Tech Talk. Aujourd'hui, je suis votre hôte, Alex, et nous plongeons dans le monde captivant de l'intelligence artificielle et de la création de contenu avec moi, Jamie et Sam.
Merci, Alex. C'est un plaisir de parler de la façon dont l'intelligence artificielle change les choses.
That's amazing. Now you can export the video and reach a global audience. Okay, you may have seen this kind of advertisement or visual graphic on various videos. If you want to create this kind of video using Premiere Pro or CapCut, you might have to spend a day. But with Filmora's Planar Tracking tool, you can do it in a minute. For example, I want to place this 2025 video on this billboard. So I'm inserting the clip on the timeline. Now select the base video from the timeline and then come to the right side tab. Here you'll find several AI tools. Find the Planar Tracking tool. You'll find two options here, Auto and Advanced. The Advanced option is for more complex tasks. However, for tutorial purposes, I'll go with the Auto mode. Once you select the Auto mode, you'll find a rectangle tracker box. you have to adjust the size and position of the box according to your needs. I'm selecting the billboard area. Give proper time to select the area. Once done, click on the Start button. It will take some time to track the object. If you find any issues, you can fix them manually. Okay, I'm done. Now, we have to set the link element. Here, you can choose any object from your desktop or use the mosaic if you want. I'm uploading a video clip, and you can see the video has been placed perfectly on the board. This is just amazing. So, now you can put any object on a surface within a few clicks. Alright, now let's move forward to another interesting feature called AI Video Enhancer. Imagine you have old or low-quality video footage and you want to enhance the quality. You can't do this using Premiere Pro. In that case, you'd have to use paid AI enhancer tools. However, now you can enhance any low-resolution video with Filmora 14. To do that, import the video and place it on the timeline. After that, come to the right side panel. Here, in the video section, you'll find the AI tools. On the AI Tools tab, we have to select this AI Video Enhancer option. Now click on the Generate button from here. It will take some time to enhance the video. And here it is, the video has been enhanced. It produced a very good result. Now, if you want to fine-tune the video clip, you can use the Video Denoise option. Once the analysis is completed, you can set the parameter. In that case, my suggestion would be to keep it normal. And this is the result. Filmora did a great job. Are you facing problems with low-quality voice recordings or background noise? Don't worry, you don't need to re-record. Filmora will help you fix it. Look at this.
It whispers secrets in the wind, hides stories in its depths.
It's really disgusting. Now, simply select the video clip and then come to the Audio tab from here. You'll find a bunch of options here to adjust the audio. We'll use this AI Voice Enhancer tool. After turning on the voice enhancer, adjust the voice clarity and beautification. Listen to the preview and adjust again to get the best output. Next, if your voiceover has background noise, then you can use the Denoise tool. You'll find a bunch of options. My suggestion is to play around with them to get the best output. Okay, we're done. Let's have a look at the before and after versions.
They say the sea has a memory. It whispers secrets in the wind, hides stories in its depths, and carries echoes of lost souls upon its waves. Marin had heard the stories since she was a child, the legend of the Whispering Sea.
How was this? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, sound effects and BGM are very crucial for making engaging content. If you collect sound effects or BGM from other sources, you may face legal issues. However, on Filmora, you can generate sound effects and BGM with AI. To generate music with AI, come to the Audio tab from here. You'll find a vast library of music clips. Now, to generate sound effects, come to the AI Sound Effects tab from here. Okay, this is the AI sound effect generator. We have to describe our sound in this box. Let's type footsteps on a wooden floor. Next, from the settings, you can set the duration and number of clips. Once done, hit the Generate button. And here it is. You can see that Filmora generates 2 music clips for us. And it did a great job. Now you can use them in your project. Now if you want to generate background music, then come to the AI Music tab. After coming to the page, select the mode, then the theme, and after that, the genre. Next, come to the Settings option. Here, you can set the music tempo, duration, and number of music tracks. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. It will take some time to generate the music clip. Once the music clips are generated, listen to them. If you don't like the music clips, you can regenerate the clips. Once you find the best clip, to add the music to the timeline. Now, if the music is longer than the video clip, then cut the extra part. But if the music clip is shorter, then use this music stretch tool. After selecting the tool, simply stretch the music clip until the video ends. This process will save a huge amount of time for creators. Even now, if you can't find the best music clips and are struggling with the BGM, then you can use the Smart BGM generator. To generate perfect BGM in a single click, just click on the Smart BGM generator icon from here. Once this pop-up appears, simply click on the Start button. Now, Filmora AI will analyze the video and generate perfect music for the video that will match the mood and genre of the video. And here it is. The music is ready. Let's have a look.
Stories in its depths, and carries echoes of lost souls upon its waves. Marin had heard the stories since she was a child, the legend of the Whispering Sea.
This is just amazing. I really love this feature. There are so many AI-powered features available on Filmora. Like this, with the Auto Reframe tool, you can automatically resize your videos to ensure the focus is always on the action. The Social Content Planner tool posts videos across all platforms at the right moment, every time, from one place. In conclusion, Filmora Video Editor is not just a simple video editor, it's a tool hub. So why stick with pricey software? Filmora gives you power, simplicity, and freedom. Whether you're a newbie or a pro, it's time to edit smarter, not harder. Ready to try it? Click the link below and grab Filmora. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before that, I'd love to hear your opinion about the Filmora 14 update and its new AI features. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!